Hello and welcome back. Today it's curry rice. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Finely diced onion. Madison, we're trying to make a YouTube video here. Shh. 100 grams of sirloin or ribeye steak. Cook the steak and onions on medium heat until golden brown in colour. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and leave a comment. Next, add in some diced bell peppers and cook for 1 minute. Then season with salt and ground black pepper. Chuck in some frozen peas and give it all a good stir. Now to add some flavour, put in 1 curry cube. If you want to find out more about these curry cubes, click the link appearing in the right hand corner just about now. Break up the curry cube. This will only take 10 seconds. Then add in some chicken stock. This is where it starts to get very interesting. Bring everything to the boil and wait for this. Now watch what we're going to do next. Are you ready? This is a rice cooker hack. Pour everything into a rice cooker. Give it a quick stir. Then you want to add in some rice. Smooth over and flatten the rice like this. Simply put the lid on the rice cooker. Press the button. After 12 minutes, your rice will be cooked. The rice cooker will automatically go into keep warm mode and you can eat it any time of the day. Ooh.
Lovely jubbly.
Fill up a bowl, get a plate, flip it upside down and... Madison!